Hi everybody. In this video we are going to understand that when the column names are not shown, I mean here instead of the column name it looks similar like rows, the numbers are mentioned. So in this case, if a formula is written in the sheet or in the workbook, it would appear something like this. It would show RC, which means that R stands for row and C stands for column. So RC minus 1 is, it goes in reverse, it's like an offset. So here RC minus 1 is nothing but a row, a column before. The row remains the same, but it is just referring to a column prior to the current column, that is usually which is B3 is what is selected, but it does not show B3 here, rather it shows RC minus 1, that is a column prior to the current one. And also the lookup array and the current array also shows the column numbers and the row numbers. So customer R1 C2 to R101 C2 means that row 1 to 101 in column 2 is what is being selected, is what is our lookup array, and the same number in the column 3 is our return array. So how would you change this? To change this, we go to file and then we click on more options. Under options we go to formula, and under formula, under working with formulas, we uncheck this R1C1 reference style and click on OK. This would change the column numbers that were appearing to the column names, and the formula also will look accordingly. So now we have the B3, and the lookup array and the return array shows the column name followed by the row number. Thank you.